8 minutes to financial freedom. 10 moves that work. Want to retire early, quit the paycheck grind, actually feel free with your money? Here are 10 moves that get you there. Fast. That sentence is the promise of this video, and I mean it. Over the next 8 minutes, I'm going to give you 10 practical, actionable moves, clear steps you can start today. And keep each one punchy so you can act immediately. Hook list. Action. A quick hook, 10 concise items you can implement, and a specific action at the end so you walk away with momentum. We're keeping this tight for YouTube, 16:9 and an 8-minute runtime, so expect each item to land in about 40 to 45 seconds, including transitions. I'll call out one fast tip for each move, and I'll show why these add up to real freedom. Less stress, more options, and a life you actually choose. You need a 3 to 6 month cash buffer. That's not optional. It's insurance against getting derailed by a job loss, a medical bill, a car repair. 3 months covers basics if your job is stable, 6 months if income is variable or you want more peace of mind. Think of this as the foundation of every other financial move. Start by calculating your essential monthly expenses. Rent or mortgage, food, utilities, insurance, minimum debt payments. Multiply by 3 to 6 and set that as your target. Put that money in a high-yield savings account where it's accessible but not tempting to spend. Fast tip. Automate a weekly transfer the day after payday, funnel windfalls, tax refunds, bonuses, birthday cash, straight into this fund until you hit your goal. Small, consistent deposits win. A zero-based budget forces every dollar a job. Savings, bills, joy. When you tell your money where to go, you stop wondering where it went. Tracking also reveals small leaks that add up. Subscriptions, dining out, impulse buys. More income is the fastest lever to accelerate every other move, truly. Even modest raises or side hustles compound into real wealth over time. Don't wait for luck. Intentionally grow skills you can monetize. Options include negotiating a raise at your job, freelancing a marketable skill, starting a side gig that scales. Audit your skill set pick. One market need you can meet within 30 days. Practical first step. Email your manager this week to request a raise conversation, provide evidence, achievements, numbers, competitor salaries, or sign up for one freelance platform and apply to 3 gigs this weekend. Set and forget is how winners build wealth without relying on willpower. Pay yourself first. By automating transfers to savings and investment accounts the day you get paid. Automation turns good intentions into consistent actions. Treat these transfers like bills, non-negotiable. Over time, automation removes decision fatigue and accelerates compounding. Action. Set up automatic transfers for at least 10 to 15% of income today. Split between retirement and taxable investing. Increase it by 1% every 6 months. 401(k)s, IRAs, and HSAs are tax shelter powerhouses. Employer matches are literally free money. Don't leave them on the table. Contribute at least up to the match immediately. If you don't have a plan, open an IRA and start small. Chapter 8. Passive income scales your time and adds resilience. Rental income, royalties, dividend portfolios. Digital products can all provide cash flow without daily clocking in. Start with one that fits your skills and appetite. Don't confuse passive with easy style. Most streams need upfront work. Rentals need property management. Digital products need marketing. But once built, they free you to choose how to spend your time. Start simple. Pick one idea, validate it this month. List assets you can leverage. An extra room to rent a skill you can productize, a dividend ETF to start accumulating. Chapter 9. Financial education isn't a one-time read. It's a habit. Markets shift, tax law changes, and life priorities evolve. So review allocations and goals regularly. Make quarterly check-ins and a deeper annual review non-negotiable. Consume quality content. Books, trustworthy creators, primary sources like IRS guidance or fund prospectuses. Beware of noise and hot takes. Prioritize fundamentals and long-term thinking over day-to-day market drama. Monthly habit. Spend 30 minutes. Reviewing your portfolio, reviewing your budget, reviewing progress toward your emergency fund, reviewing progress toward your debt goals. Adjust small things often so you don't need big panics later. Chapter 10. Freedom isn't just numbers, it's aligning spending with what truly matters. A lean, intentional lifestyle trims the fat, directs resources to experiences, health, relationships that add real value. That's the point of money. Buy freedom, not stuff. Audit recurring expenses and ask, does this add measurable value to my life? Cut the rest. When your spending reflects your values, saving and investing feel natural, not painful.